Do you want to know how to add text to Instagram Reels? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. Click on the plus icon to upload the videos or Reels. So for example, if I have to post this Reels, click on the font icon, and now in the bottom you will see the word that you have entered. Tap on it. This will open the editing page with the timeline in which you can adjust the duration of the text. So for example, as you can see, the first word which I have typed, so if I want the text to last until the 3 seconds only, I can select the text and drag the yellow bar, and if I want to add another text, just click on back icon or go back, add the another text, and you will find the text icon in the bottom. Tap on it and it will again open the timeline. And now just you can do the same thing, just adjust and drag the text so you can move it the time, drag the text and place it wherever you want. So now drag the text or the yellow bar to move it in whenever you want it on the screen. Once you're done all the editing, click on next and just type the captions and all as you do for uploading your reels. So this is how you can add text on Instagram Reels. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.